I guess it's only fitting to have snow on December 1st, eh? You know the drill. This isn't the first snowfall we've had. It's probably the second or third. But it's going to rain tomorrow and be a mild day, 6 or 7 degrees, so it'll wash all the snow away again. Yeah, we keep having a little bit of snow and then a little bit of rain and kind of gets rid of the snow. And I certainly don't mind that. But as you can see, things are starting to freeze. It's getting colder and it's soon time for me to winterize. I did hear a little critter running along the roof this morning around probably dawn. Didn't last long though, so like I said, hopefully it's just a squirrel taking a shortcut. Sure haven't seen Hilbert for a few weeks, so maybe he's gone for the winter. I might not see him again till the spring. Generator's been running great after its first official oil change. Batteries have not been doing great because we just haven't been getting much sun, but as you can see today, it's going to come out for a little while anyway. Hopefully that helps. If not, I'll probably end up running my battery charger a little bit this evening. Try to get those puppies topped up. But for now, I've got to scoop the wood stove ashes. Ooh, feel the heat off that. Oh, kind of afraid that would be frozen. I don't know if you can see, but the rainwater in here is almost to the top. And I'll end up having to dump all that water out on the ground because I've decided that I'm winterizing tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow's going to be a nice mild rainy day, and then this weekend it's calling for temperatures overnight of -5, -6, and I can't really mess around with that too much, so definitely has to happen tomorrow. I guess it is December after all, but I like to push it every year. Go as far as I can go before having to do it anyway. I've got the rain gutter sort of geared up to try and divert the water more this way, so it's going down over this hill and not really landing straight here in the gravel. 7.1 amps coming in, gotta love it. Well, tomorrow is de-winterizing day, and I'm just kind of getting a head start. I'm emptying the big tank here. I just put this hose on here for the purpose of emptying it out. I have it run all the way into the woods over there. Yeah, I'd just rather have all this water in here going into the woods over there than directly below here. Obviously, I've got a little bit of a drip here because I didn't bother putting tape around this hose just for the purpose of emptying this out. Ooh, look at all this ice. Oh, ice up here. But yeah, this is going to take some time. There's about 800 liters of water left. We'll let gravity do the work. Well, as you can see, maybe, the tank is completely empty now, and I just went ahead and stuck this post under just to tilt it forward and make sure to get any little bit of water that was left at the bottom pushed out the front. Unhooked everything from the tankless water heater and let all the water drain down the drain. I took this right off the wall as well because sometimes there's a little bit of water in here and it all drained out from the connections down below. Now I'm gonna let the onboard water tank drain completely out. Sad day for sure. I feel like I just de-winterized. Our summers just aren't long enough. And after I get all the pink stuff through all the plumbing, it's back to catching the water with the bucket and the water dispenser here. It works for the winter, but it's definitely not my favorite. Just super weird weather. It's almost midnight, December 6th. It's 15 degrees Celsius outside. It is, as you might be able to hear, super windy. All right, well, I'm getting there, slowly but surely. Pissing off the squirrels while I do it. No, so once this row is completely full to the top of the shed here, I can fit another 2 rows in front of that. It's obviously not going to get done today. I'll just finish unloading what's on the back of the truck here. But it's a balmy 5 degrees Celsius, December 7th or 8th. So I've got to take advantage of this good weather to try to get this winter wood put away once and for all. A little breezy still, but nice working weather, I guess. Picked up some free pallets in town. Just set them over here because I plan on putting the truck cap on top of this for the winter. I usually store a few things in it rather than just carrying it around in the back of my truck. We're gonna get snow in a couple of days' time, so I'm gonna hurry up and get this unloaded. We've got about maybe 2 hours of daylight left. Kind of how I've been doing it, just chuck a little bit here on the floor, pick it up and put it in place on this pile, but it's not the easiest thing on your back. I mean, this shed is not overly tall too. I can stand up completely in it under here, but not right here. Anyway, back to work. Oh my goodness, so close to being done. So close. For now, just storing a few things under the catio. That's how much is left of last winter's wood. Not a whole lot, just that back row back there. Those are just some little off-cut short pieces from this year. But that'll just store under there until I get the truck cap over there to throw some things in. Yeah, I definitely need more storage. That is just not cutting it. Well, it's the first snowstorm of the year. Just shoveling a couple of paths. Shovel a path to the batteries, shovel a path to the propane, path to the entrances. It's about 7:30 a.m. Definitely gonna be late for work today. going to try to clear off the solar in a little bit here. But as you can see, the diesel heater did not end up with any snow on it at all, which is great. That's the goal. Probably should have put that hammock away. Well, if you can't tell, I've got to get the shoveling here and try to make it into work. Shoveled off the truck. Got the solar panels done too. I don't know if you can see, I'm trying to trudge through snow. I keep thinking I hear a plow in the distance, so that's a good thing. Yes, I have four-wheel drive on the truck, but I do have some pretty smooth tires here in the front, so regardless, this drive should be pretty interesting. By the way, if you think this looks pretty, you obviously live somewhere warm. Here comes the plow. Ramsey, do you like your Christmas tree? Merry Christmas. You too, Rory. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.